Where is ICCT going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on FG Merger Corporation? In this video, I'm going to cover technical analysis, price predictions, forecast outlooks, all in 2 minutes time. And to do all of this, I'm going to use my strategy that has previously gotten me 400 wins in the last 7 months. How am I going to do this? To do this, follow the strategy, obviously. The strategy is very simple. I've accomplished it after making like 12,000 videos, being through the struggle and pain, so you don't have to go through it. So what's next with ICCT? You can see the price kind of came back down here. Yesterday, we definitely went up like 700% up today, additional 254. What was my rule for the strategy and my kind of analysis is if it stays above this high on the monthly, well, I mean, the month is going to end right now, right? This today, Wednesday, and then Thursday. Tomorrow is going to be the last few days of the month. And if it stays like this for me is a bullish range of the month. And then even if the price kind of comes this is low, we're still going to anticipate the price to go bullish. So we're definitely still waiting. Don't like these kinds of plays right now whatsoever. But again, still going to continue to see what the price is going to do. Stay tuned for that. If you want to learn the step-by-step strategy, how to use and everything, check out the first link in the description.